Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Edward Amakun, and if you are new to this channel, I would like you to please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the notification bell in order for you to get notified anytime we drop new videos. So in this tutorial, we are going to look at how to identify fonts in a design as a graphic designer. And you see, as a graphic designer, most of our worry is about fonts, particularly when you come across a font or you come across a design work being done by someone, and then you wondered how the person was able to use this particular font. What type of font did the person use? You wonder how the person come across by using that particular font. Besides, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can be able to identify fonts being your design, your work, or especially different work which is not yours. So without wasting much ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so quickly let me take you through. So the only thing that will help you is to, one, you need to be able to know how to connect your laptop or maybe your device into or to an internet. So quickly I'm going to take you to Chrome or Google. You go to Google, so we are going to use a website, okay, and that site is called What's the Font. What's the Font, even the name has even come, What's the Font. So you click on it and then it will take you to this site, especially the first one, What's the Font. You just click on it and it will quickly take you to a site where you need to upload your picture. So I'm going to take my time and then explain the interface of this site for you. Alright, so if you take a look at this one, you see that this is where your types of fonts are. You have sans serif, you have slab serif, you have serif display, and what have you. Okay, so when you have something like this, you scroll it down. What's the font? Instant font identification powered by the world's largest collection of fonts. Alright, so quickly, if you scroll it down, you realize that you see a box over here where it says that drop an image here to identify the font. Okay, so quickly, all that you need to do is to double click this area. Click here, so just click there. All right, and when it click there, it will quickly take you to your computer or your mobile phone. All right, then you locate where your designs are. So I'm going to locate it where one of my designs are. All right, okay, so let me take you to the thumbnail itself. Here is it. All right, let me drop in. So as soon as you double click it, it will drop in here, and when you double click, the site or the font will automatically select this type of font or the particular font that you want to maybe identify and know that what type of font did they use. Okay, so you can even just drag it to any place that you want. So let's say I want this identify font. So I want to know what type of font is that. So once you select it, you come down here and then you click on this arrow where it says that go on, or it's pointing to the right direction. You click it and then it will take you to this site where it gives you a number of fonts which is similar to the font that I highlighted. So we have a Lightbox 21 bold, we have Capture Now bold. So we see that they have given you a lot or a samples of fonts that are bold, and it's similar to that font. So if you like, you will see that most of the fonts over here, they are premium, they sell it. All right, so one trick that I mostly use is that if you click, you can click on this. Maybe I want to looking at this font and the one that I highlighted, I mean it's almost the same. So you just click on Lightbox 21 bold, you click on it and it will take you to a site where you need to download the font. Okay, so it has taken you to this site. If you are to buy, it will tell you. So you realize that this font is not for free. So one trick that I mostly like is that just come here and highlight the font. Okay, just come here and then highlight it or select the font and then copy. Okay, and then you come and create a new search engine and then you paste it here and then you press enter. We are searching for that particular font. All right, so it has taken us to the font free. So let's click on that. We want to get that particular font for free. Mostly that site is not for free like that, so you can just copy it and then paste it on Google and it will quickly search for you. So here is it. This is the font, Lightbox. This is the font. So come down here. Here is it. You click on the download button and it will automatically start downloading into your download button. Okay, so you just come here, click on download again. Mostly you have to take your time because you want to search and then know the font very well. So always have time for your computer. So here is it. So you double click it to open. Always, I've told you that when you here is it. So this is the font. So let me install it onto my PC. It's a very bold font. So you click here and then you have installed it onto your PC, of which it's similar, although it is not the same as the one that I use for my thumbnail, but it's similar. I mean, it's similar. Okay, it's similar and it's wonderful. So let's look at another way of identifying it. So let me go back and drop in another picture. So what you do is that you press on delete, okay, or you go back here and then it will take you back to the site. Just double click it again and then you drop in any other. So let me search in for any other picture or any other font over here. So let me drop in this particular design. Okay, so let's say I want this type of font. Okay, so all that I said, scroll it down, click on here and then it will take you to this side where it will search or to quickly look for the particular design. Okay, because this site, most of the font over here are premium, they sell it. So I advise you to copy. So let's say this particular font is similar. You can see that it's very close. So I just have to highlight it or select it and then copy, come to this site. Okay, you can close it because you have copied, create a new and then you paste it there. You click on, then it will take you to this site where it will give you the access to. So let's click on this one. We are looking for the font to download. All right, okay, so let's look for it. If you can download it, yes, it's here. So it says download. You can download it over here. Just click on any one of it and then it will start downloading over here. Let's open it and then here is it. We are good to go. All right, so I believe this video has been helpful to you. So if it has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to this channel so that you can get notified anytime we drop in videos. All right, so this is how you can identify fonts, so and then use it for your design. So if you see somebody's design and then you really love the font, you can just use this site to identify and know the type of font that you do. And then I've taught you how you can use it to search for the font and download it for free. All right, so thank you. See you again in our next video or anytime we drop in a new video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.